Mine tuyo, pwede siya medium. Medium to large, 76. Next na, madam.
Madam Nani Andaya, yours na si Boracay, madam. Please screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next na, madam. Down this one, large. Large, madam, for 76 pesos. My stripe. My stripe, madam, large for 76 pesos. My stripe for only 76 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine stripe for only 76. Tuyo, Madam Sharimi Javier. Yours na si Tuyo, Madam Sharimi. Please go screenshot, Madam Sharimi. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam. Second minor sa pula, si Madam Kavensky Lizo. Adam, this one, cardigan blazer. Cardigan blazer with front pocket up to medium. Pwede pang cover up sa beach or pang office. Up to medium, 76. Mine Larawan. Mine Larawan, up to medium for only 76 pesos. With front pocket, madam. Mine Larawan, up to medium, 76. Next na, madam.
Mine Larawan. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 76 pesos. Mine TV. Mine TV, madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mine TV for only 76 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mine TV. Madam Sherry May Javier. Yours na si Larawan, Madam Sherry May. Please go screenshot down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next na, madam, for only 76 pesos. Dam, ang ganda nito, dam. Pa-basic outfit. Dam, medium to semi-large. 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. Medium to semi-large for only 76. Mine Angulo. Mine Angulo, madam. Medium to semi-large for only 76 pesos. Mine Angulo. Medium to semi-large for only 76. Next na, madam.
Mine Angulo. Down this one, medium to large. Medium to large for 76 pesos. Mine Lapis. Mine Lapis, madam, medium to large for 76 pesos. Mine Lapis for only 76 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine Lapis. Okay, madam. Last 5 items na lang po tayo, madam. But before po tayo mag-proceed sa ating last 5, ulitin lang po natin yung mechanics natin, madam, for you to be guided, madam. So, madam, we will continue our live selling again this afternoon, madam. Nothing above 76 pesos pa rin tayo, dam. Naka-flash sale pa rin tayo, dam, sa ating premium knitted tops, madam. Madam Mary Ann Zabala, yours na si Angulo. Please go screenshot, Madam Mary Ann. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, madam. So, madam ha, kung hindi pa kayo kontento sa inyo na mind this morning, daw, we will continue our live selling, madam, this afternoon, madam. 2 to 5 p.m. pa rin, madam. Tapos, same price pa rin, madam. So, madam, location po natin, madam, Talisay at Cebu City, madam. Meron po tayong deliveries, madam, from Mondays to Saturdays. Alas 8 sa morning, madam. Mga 2 ang cut-off, madam. And, madam, strictly mine now. Deliver ta tomorrow, madam. So, kung hindi pa maganahan magpa-deliver tomorrow, madam, labi na yun sa atong Cebu area, madam. Kindly fully pay lang your items, madam. And pwede na kamoy mag-boot sa inyong schedule. Kung taga-Talisay area ka, madam, naara tayo pick-up, madam. Ay, joke! No pick-ups na madam, only deliveries. Pin from Gentle Peace Subdivision, madam. Kung taga-Cebu City po kayo, madam, pin from UV Colon, madam. Maximum rate po tayo, madam. Kung outside Cebu po kayo, madam, meron po tayong shipping, madam, everyday, except Sundays. 3J and door-to-door. Payment first po tayo, madam, sa items and SF, madam. And, madam, no cancellations po tayo, madam, every after live, madam. So, madam, para po sa ating mga miners this morning, makaka-receive po kayo ng invoice, madam, after this live, madam. Paantay na lang po, madam. And then, madam, payments or balances must be settled po, madam, within 24 hours, madam. Okay, madam, last 5 na lang po tayo, madam. Wait lang, madam. Madam, this one, ang ganda nito doon, semi-large. Medium to semi-large, very malambot ang tela, tapos bagong-bago pa. For only 76, main pagkain. Main pagkain, medium to semi-large. For only 76 pesos. Main pagkain, medium to semi-large, 76 pagkain. Next naman.
Mayan
Pagkain.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 76 pesos. Mayan. Mine quality. Mine quality, madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mayan quality for only 76 pesos. Next naman.
Main quality. Next up, madam, for only 76. Uy, ang ganda nito, dam. Neutral color. Uy, ang ganda nito, Madam Cecil. Madam Cecil Manata, yours is pagkain, Madam Cecil. Please go screenshot, Madam Cecil Manata. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next up, madam, for only 76. Dam, ang cute nito, dam. Small to medium or best fit to medium. Best fit to medium for only 76. Mayan egg. Mine egg, madam. Small to medium. For only 76 pesos. Mayan egg up to medium 76. Egg up to medium 76 pesos. Next time, madam. Mayan egg.
Madam, Madam Neni Andaya, yours na si quality, madam. Please go screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na, madam. Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 76 pesos. Mayan Perla. Mayan Perla, madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mayan Perla, for only 76 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mayan Perla. For only 76 pesos. Egg. Madam Nene Andaya, yours na si Egg, Madam Nene. Please go screenshot, Madam Nene. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Jen Abendanyo. Madam, last item po natin this morning na live, Madam. Madam, medium to semi-large. Cute siya, madam, pero need po siya ng inner. Medium to semi-large for only 76. Mayan Aura. Mine Aura, medium to semi-large, 76 pesos. Mayan Aura, up to semi-large, 76. Aura, up to semi-large. For only 76 pesos, madam. Mayan Aura, last item this morning na live, madam. Mayan Aura. So, madam, before pala tayo mag-end, madam, makikisuyo po sana kami, damhan, na please like and follow po sa ating page, madam. Maya, Domina, Ibutik, madam. Regular live schedule po natin, madam, is Mondays to Saturdays, 9 to 12 noon sa morning, and 2 to 5 p.m. sa hapon, madam. And, madam, kindly join po our broadcast channel para ma-notify po kayo, madam, during live, as well as sa ating mga important updates, madam. So, madam, paano po ba mag-join sa ating broadcast channel? Mag-scroll down lang po kayo to communities, madam. Meron po kayong makikitang important updates. Click niyo lang yan, madam, and click join, madam. So, madam, kung member po kayo ng ating broadcast channel, madam, mano-notify po kayo, dam, sa messenger kung nag-start na po ang ating live, madam. Okay, madam. Madam Jen Abendanyo. Yours na si Old Miners, madam. Madam Jen Abendanyo. Wait lang ha, scroll up daw, please. May concern si madam. Saglit lang, madam Jen. Madam, kung magpa-ship na po kayo, dam, ha? Ibayaran niyo lang po yung SF niyo, madam, para ma-ship na po ang items, madam. Madam Jen Abendanyo, yours na si Aura. Please go screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Kasi, madam, hindi po tayo nag-ship ng may balance or unpaid po ang SF, madam. So, very important, dam, nabasahin niyo po yung, dam, sinisend ni admin, madam. Kasi, madam, hindi niya sinisend yan, madam, for nothing. Meron yung purpose, madam. So, very important na basahin niyo po ang ating mechanics for you to be guided, madam. So, madam, thank you so much, madam. Happy Friday, madam. See you again this afternoon, madam. 2 to 5. p.m. madam. Daghang salamat madam dyan. Maraming salamat everyone. See you again later madam. Goodbye time.